Okay, so yes, we was discussing biomolecule. This is the one of the very interesting chapter we started, and this would be the basic of this chapter. If you watch this, you will be like, your basic would be clear. Not only this, before that we also made two more videos. I would suggest you to watch that first. That would be like very good videos. So yes, let's start. If you find one ball, two, like these kind of structure, wait, if you find this single structure, one, two, three, four, like whenever you find single structure, that would be known as monomer. But when these would be combined like this, combined means they're making a bond. When they make a bond, this would be known as polymer. That would be known as polymer. Okay, monomer, this the monomer, this the polymer. Okay, so here we are discussing what are, like, we have four basic of this chapter, that is carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid. This make the biomolecule chapter exactly. Okay, so here you will find these are the monomers, these are the polymers, and here you'll find bond, which I'll discuss. Wait, so when you talk about the carbohydrate, their monomer is monosaccharide, poly, and oligo. These are the types, but the main monomer is known as monosaccharide. Whereas for protein, you will find amino acid. What does exactly this mean? For suppose this are these are the molecules, not molecule, but the smallest of the smallest particles which are combined, and when they combine, what they will form a structure. That structure would be known as protein. That structure would be known as protein. Okay, so these will combine and they'll form protein. Amino acid combine, they'll form protein. Monosaccharide combine, they'll form carbohydrates. When a lipid, they will form glycerol plus fatty acid. These both are unsaturated. When they will unsaturated, they will form they'll combine, they will form lipids. When nucleotide RNA plus DNA plus RNA, they'll combine, they'll form nucleic acid. Nucleic, like these sequence which is given here is the basic in sense, like this. These are the sequence in human body from starting to end. Let me first, yes, carbohydrate is on the first. This means this is more used, but I think protein would be shuffled here. Yes, but I am sure lipid and nucleic acid are very less used in our body. Less used. So let me just recall a little. So yes, these are the sequence. Carbohydrate is right. This would be more important. Then you'll find protein. Then you'll find lipid. Then you'll find nucleic acid. This is a like a percentage you'll find as well. Okay. Here you find monomer. These are the polymer. This should be very much clear. Then there's one more fact about lipids. Lipids are lipids here is written as polymer. Polymer simply means a combine. These are the polymers, sorry, these are monomers. So polymer simply a bigger, but lipid is not bigger. Why then it's considered in this part? I'm just telling you a little in this video because there is a complete process, tissue analysis, then you will get it a more clear. So when we talk about the lipids, when I talk about the lipids, lipid is having like lipid is micromolecule. How we do know that? Because there is delta. Delta is a unit, not unit, but how do you find? Lipid is 800 dalton. This means this is downward, like lower than 1000. Whenever you find molecules lower than 1000, that will be known as micro. And lipid is 800, so you can say this is the micro. This is the micro, whereas above 10,000 are known as macro, and all others are macro because these are considered like lipid, protein.